Hi everyone! Welcome to my presentation of Marianas Trench Marine National Monument. Alright, let's get started. Marianas Trench Marine National Monument is in the Mariana Archipelago, east of the Philippines. Presidential Proclamation 8335 established the monument in January 2009. The monument protects approximately 248,517 kilometers of land and waters. There are 3 individual units within the monument. The Islands Unit, highlighted here on the map in green, the Volcanic Unit, highlighted along here in red, and the Trench Unit, highlighted all along here in dark blue. The Interior Secretary placed the Mariana Trench and Volcanic units within the National Wildlife Refuge System and delegated management responsibility to the Fish and Wildlife Service. The Secretary of Commerce, through NOAA, has the primary management for fishery-related activities in the island unit waters. The Mariana Trench Monument Advisory Council provides recommendations on the developments of management of the monument. The council consists of officials of the Commonwealth of Northern Mariana Island Government, the Department of Defense, and the U.S. Coast Guard. The primary conservation focus is that of natural heritage. The monument is zoned for multiple use and is permanently protected year-round. The Islands Unit includes the water and submerged lands of the 3 northern Mariana Islands, Maug, Ferellon de Parajos, and Asuncion, which are mostly remote. There are a multitude of fish who inhabit the island unit, such as the rare bumphead parrotfish, pictured here, the largest of the parrotfish species. There are many species of dolphin and whales found in the Islands Unit. All marine mammals are protected under the Marine Mammal Protections Act. Some are year-round species of the Mariana Archipelago, others are migratory visitors. 3 local whale species are protected by the Endangered Species Act: the sperm whale, the humpback whale, and the sei whale. Many diverse species take refuge in this monument. One of the most diverse collections of stony corals, over 300 species in the Western Pacific, are found in the Island Unit. Because the Islands Unit are mostly remote, there are habitat for sea turtles like the green sea turtle and hawksbill, which are listed as threatened and endangered respectively. The Volcanic Unit housed hydrothermal vents that produce highly acidic boiling water. The Champagne vent, pictured here, produces nearly liquid carbon dioxide, one of 2 known throughout the world. The submarine volcano Daikoku has a pool of liquid sulfur. This is totally unique to Earth. The only other known location of liquid or molten sulfur is on Io, which is one of planet Jupiter's moons. Marianas Trench is the deepest point on Earth. It is deeper than the height of Mount Everest and 5 times longer than that of the Grand Canyon. At 10,809 meters down, there is Sirena Deep. During a July 2011 journey to Marianas Trench, Scripps Institution of Oceanography researchers and National Geographic engineers discovered the deepest known existence of xenophyophores. The complex geology of these hydrothermal vent habitats have produced microbes who can survive through chemosynthesis. This supports a vast community of invertebrates such as crabs, shrimp, gastropods, tube worms, and cephalopods. The proclamation prohibits commercial fishing within 50 nautical miles of the waters around the Islands Unit. However, access to the Islands Unit for cultural and traditional fishing are managed through a permit system by the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands government. The waters of the Northern Islands have a cultural importance to the residents of the Marianas, especially regarding fishing. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere interacts with water molecules to create carbonic acid, which then breaks down into hydrogen ions, bicarbonate ions, and carbonate ions. These chemical reactions reduce the pH level, making it more acidic. Marine ecosystems and people benefit from well-managed marine protected areas by helping them adapt to prominent impacts of ocean acidification. These marine protected areas were found to buffer against the uncertainty in management and lower the impact of climate change through the sequestration of carbon. Preserving coral reefs need a combined effort that includes observation, experimentation, and modeling through management and government policy. The increase of atmospheric carbon dioxide drives ocean acidification and is a threat to coral reef systems. Observation for ocean acidification on a regional level needs the engagement from all stakeholders in order to be efficient. The monument should stay designated under National Wildlife Refuge System with all current protections delegated by the Fish and Wildlife at its current size. Initially, before the monument was established, there was a lack of support by the residents of the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands and Guam. This lack of support was only due to concerns that the local communities would not have any say in management decisions. However, since its implementation in 2009, both the governing bodies now support the monument. Residents generally support the designation of the monument, however, the public awareness about it are quite low. It's imperative that governance arrangements and any decisions for the monument be transparent and include input from the local indigenous residents. The areas should only be accessed for scientific research and tourism. Most commercial fisheries do not charter to the island's unit as fuel for the trip is too expensive. Many of the fish caught in the northern island waters are bigger than those caught in Saipan, another Mariana island not included in the monument's protection. This could be due to the protections established that allow the fish to not only recover their populations, but are able to grow bigger. Protecting the monument from commercial fishing supports indigenous communities on the northern islands. Traditional indigenous fishing involves customary exchange where the fish are not sold, but exchanged within the community and provides them with a practical way for the residents to access food resources and uphold cultural beliefs. Since the trips are so infrequent, restrictions on this type of fishing should be more relaxed. In conclusion, Marianas Trench Marine National Monument supports some of the most unique ecosystems in the world. This monument provides protection for species currently underrepresented. The monument gives the organisms living in this zone refuge. Much of the trench unit has not been researched until recent years, so as the progression of technology continues, there'll be more to discover about this incredible place.